children! What are you doing? We meet again on Hands-on Math video. So today we're going to do counting activity. I want you to take up Hands-on Math book B1 and please open page 7.
Children, let's try to do the exercise together. First, we read the instruction. Finger point, count, and write the answer. Okay, children, we need to count the flower first. How many flowers are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. There are 18 flowers. So now children, you need to write the number 18 inside this box. Okay, now I want you to finish your homework. Good luck!
So children, it's very easy to do the counting, correct or not? Very good. Okay, I would love if all of you can share with me video you doing counting on anything, on your toys or fruits or anything that you can find. I want you to do counting and do video send to me. Can or not, children? Very good. See you again. Love you.